Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share Dollar Tree haul. So yesterday we went to Dollar Tree just to get one item, that is hummingbird feeders. If you are on my Instagram, you know that I posted a video showing that we got a couple of hummingbirds into the backyard. They got attracted by all the flowers we have, and but the thing is they don't stay for a long time, and it's one of my dream to take photos of hummingbird, but they're very small and they move very fast, so you need those birds to stay for a couple of minutes so that you can get a good photo. So I thought, why not get a hummingbird feeder, so that since they are anyways attracted to the garden by the flowers, if there is a hummingbird feeder, they'll stay for a long time. So that is the motto. So yesterday we went to get hummingbird feeders, but there are a lot of good stuff in the dollar store. So we got a lot of products from dollar store, which is not what we planned, but some of them are really useful for the house, and some of them I got to make some projects in the future. So let me quickly show you what I got from the dollar store. And before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and also do follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates I post. Okay, so let's begin the video. So I have kept all the things on the floor. I didn't categorize or anything like that, but I'm going to take one by one and show you. So the first thing we got is this hair dye comb. It has a small bottle in here, so you can put hair color, and then the hair color I think comes through these bristles. But the reason we got is this. My husband likes to spray water before he goes to office and comb his hair, because he has really curly hair. So he just want to experiment by putting water in here and then comb and see if it's any better. So just for $1 he just wanted to try this. Next we have couple of canvases. So this is a really cute llama. They have one in dark color as well, but I got this one. I really like llamas. This is another canvas, the beautiful design. In total I got 4 to keep onto the wall like a collage. These are the next 2 designs. So this is a green and dark green combination, and this is white with green and pink and other colors. So I thought these all matched well, so you can arrange them in this one, and the llama goes here. So let me see if I can hold them. I hope you can see. I thought they all matched well. So each canvas is just $1, and they have a hook to hang. That is that. And then next we got this really useful tool. So in our master bathroom, one of my husband's side of the sink will clog a lot. Recently it started clogging a lot more frequently. So we got this drain router. So it's a really long plastic thingy, and it has some tooth, you can say. Yeah, it has some tooth. So basically this is how it works. You just put this into your sink and twist it and pull it out, and it will catch all the debris and the hair and all that stuff. So we got 2 of these. Usually these are hard to find, that's why I got 2 of these. And next we got these ropes. These are found in the auto section. These are diamond braid ropes. My husband got these because he wants to use them in the backyard. We got like 3 of these and 3 of the different kinds of ropes. Basically we got 3 colors of this diamond braid rope, and 3 other different kinds of rope, which I'll show you. And next I got these wood planks. So you get 6 in a pack. you get 6 in a pack. These I got them to do some DIYs, which I have not decided yet, but these are really good deal. Next I got hangers. So my husband wanted some hangers for his closet, so we got 7 hangers for $1. And next I got these stickers. So these are gem stickers. So these are gems. I hope it's focusing. So I got 4 of these, 2 in white and black and 2 in colors. So all these are for crafts. And next I got some candles. This is 4-pack candles, not candles, candle holders. So 4-pack of candle holders. I got 8. So 4 comes to $1. And next I got this ruler. You can call it square, scale, you can call that. So it's good if you want to take measurements in both directions. And next we have more craft items. So again, you can find this sandpaper set in the automotive section. So if you want to smoothen surfaces and all, this is good. And I got these hooks. This has a 5 pounds hold capacity, and I have seen people giving a lot of good reviews for these, so I just wanted to try. And next we got ibuprofen. Hope it focuses. Yeah, so I got ibuprofen tablets. We have a couple of them at home, but they are soon expiring. Usually we get them at Walgreens or CVS, but these seem pretty good, so why not try for $1. And next I got this spackling. Again, I'm going to use this for a project. Lightweight spackling for $1. And next some crafty items. I got this ribbon. This is lace ribbon. Hope you can see this. Yeah, lace ribbon. And this is, oh no, I thought this is, I got confused, but this is pearl wrap, and this is silver pearls. I hope you can see. I actually thought these are diamond wrap, but I got confused, but still works. And this is another wrap, and this is diamond wrap, but in a golden color. I wanted to get a diamond wrap in a silver color as well, but somehow I got confused. And then I got burlap ribbon. It focuses. Burlap. And then I got this crafters pearls. I have a couple of jewelry, especially my earrings, where the pearls are lost. So I thought, why not get these pearls in 2 shades. One of them is like pure white and one of them is like creamish white. So I wanted to try if these fit. If these fit, that's fine, otherwise I'll use them for some other crafts. And next I got this nice golden basket. You can use for storage, decorating. Nice color, sturdy as well. I also got in 2 other shapes, which I'll show later, but I got that. Yeah, so this is the other shape. This is a rectangle, this is a circle, rectangle, and I got a bigger rectangle. So you can put your paperwork here in this big rectangle, or you can stack spices. So the options are endless. They have lot of them, but I just got one of each, and if I think I'll need more, then I'll go back and get more. And next I got this sponge. This is a natural bath sponge. So this is a natural bath sponge. You can use it obviously for bathing, but also you can use this for artwork. And next I got this diamond wrap in pink color. So I got lot of items for doing craft work. And I got this paintbrush set for $1. And next I found this interesting thing. I used to have something similar, but I guess I lost it. But so these are pots and pan protectors. So if you want to stack pots and pans, but you don't want the non-stick or any scratches on the bottom pan when you stack, you can keep this. These are kind of felt pads. So like shown in the picture, you can use these to stack, and you get 3 in a pack for $1. Pretty good deal. So you don't have to buy those fancy organizers to stack pans. You can just use these, and just have to make sure that you have enough to stack all the pans, and you'll have no scratches. So that's good. And then I got these 2 claw clips. I have bigger one that I got recently for my hair, because when I go to my bath, I have to put it up so that it doesn't get wet. And I have a smaller version of the same clip, and I have a bigger one. Both of them don't fit well. My hair keeps coming in between the shower, and it's really annoying. So I wanted to try one more time, so I got this sized clip. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Actually, I used to have a perfect clip that I got from India. It's a green one. I used it for many years, but it broke. So it's perfect, guys. Even when I had long hair, short hair, it used to hold my head perfectly in place, but somehow it broke, so I couldn't find a replacement for that. And then I got this chalk writer. And if you have seen my recent pantry organization video, I have so many jars with the labels, but all of those are erased and it doesn't have anything on it. It's because my chalk pen dried up, and I wanted to order a couple of chalk pens from Amazon, but before that I just wanted to check if Dollar Tree has some, so that I don't have to spend a lot of money. So for one, it's $1. So I'm going to try and write all those labels neatly. And then I got these suction cups. So you get 2 in a pack for $1, and I want to use these suction cups in the shower so that I can hang my loofah. And I also use a natural cognac sponge to scrub my face. Not scrub really, but to, you know, give that exfoliation for face, so I can hang those two. Hopefully it works. And I have seen people using them even like to hold lot of heavy stuff. So loofah and a sponge shouldn't be too bad. And then these are the other kind of ropes that my husband got. He couldn't decide which one to pick, so he got both of them. Actually, this is that is a diamond braid rope, and this is a clothesline. So they got a hook, so you can hang clothes onto this, but he wants to use it in the garden. So he got 3 of these and 3 of those. Yeah, so he got those for the garden. And I got this fastener strip. Basically, I think it's a Velcro strip, so that you can stick 2 items together. For example, if you have a remote, you can stick a small piece of this. Like there are 2 pieces, right? One piece you can stick to the back of the remote, and one piece you can stick to the back of the TV, and you can Velcro it, and it's secure, and you don't have to search for the remote again and again. So that's one use, but you can use multiple ways. yeah, the third color. And since I said that our drain clogs a lot, we got this plumber kind of drain opener, so it kinds of flushes all the grimes and debris and everything, so that it kind of flushes more. So we got this big one, and I have the big receipt here. And I got this wrap again. This is pearl wrap. I hope you can see it. It's a beautiful pearl wrap. And then again I got burlap, 2 burlap rolls. And again I got some caulk. This caulk I'm going to use for some crafts. Sorry, I was just reading what's written on there, but I'm going to use it for crafts. And then I got again 2 hooks, and this holds up to 3 pounds. And this is the third one. So basically these 3. And then I got this dish rack where you can organize plates or small pans, all that stuff. You can also do a vertical organization if you want. And the last one I got are these dry erase markers. Hopefully they'll work well. Currently I have only a black one, and it's kind of thick, so it doesn't write nicely. So I thought I'll try these. We are coming to an end, guys. Next I got this beautiful Buddha. It has a small place so that you can place candle holder, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has a dark bluish gray tones with gold kind of finish. So beautiful, guys. And it's decent size too. For $1 you can't go wrong. And next I've got this candle holders again. Beautiful yellow shimmer. So I got 2 of these. And there is a rose gold one too, but I liked these. Beautiful, guys. Just lovely for $1. Great price. And next I got 2 more candle holders, but these are clear. So 2 more candle holders. Yeah, really pretty, nice shape. And finally I have 2 hummingbird feeders. The reason we went for Dollar Tree. So it's decent size. So basically I just have to fill with sugar water. I think the ratio is for 1 part sugar you have to add 4 parts water. So I'm going to fill till half and see if they come. Hopefully if they come, I'll have some photos. If not this year, I'm going to try again next year. But 2 hummingbird feeders. So we got a ton of stuff this time. Most of the stuff is useful. Most of the stuff I got for crafts, because sometimes you just have to take your mind off by doing something so that you are creative, your mood is uplifted, and you also get a feeling that you accomplished something different from the daily day-to-day activities. So it's very important to do something different every now and then. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. And the damage for this visit is $62 including tax. I hope it focuses. Yes, $62. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates I post. And I will see you again with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye.